5 baking soda face packs for crystal clear skin. You don't need expensive creams and lotions to get a crystal clear skin. Just a teaspoon of baking soda from your kitchen can work magic for your skin. Find out how you can put the astringent, antibacterial, cleansing and antifungal properties of baking soda to good use. Baking soda face mask for acne and pimples. An excellent way to use baking soda for your skin is to use it to stop acne or pimples from developing and to reduce swelling. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a tablespoon of sandalwood powder and enough of rose water to make a smooth paste. Just freeze for 5 minutes and then apply this cold baking soda paste. Let it sit for 5 to 6 minutes and then wash off with cool water. It instantly reduces pimples and leaves your skin crystal clear and clean. Baking soda facial exfoliator for blackheads, whiteheads, and dead skin cells. People with oily skin or acne-prone skin are the worst sufferers of blackheads and whiteheads. This baking soda facial exfoliator is designed to remove those nasty-looking black and white bumps deep-seated inside your pores. Wash your face with lukewarm water and then place a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of honey in your hands. Rub your hands together and massage in a circular motion for 3 to 4 minutes for deep pore cleansing. Target mostly to the T-zone areas. Rinse off with cool water. Baking soda face pack or scrub for acne scars and pimple marks. A multi-action baking soda face pack and scrub to lighten acne scars, pimple marks and other unpleasant skin blemishes. In a small bowl, place a teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of oats powder and a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Add a little warm water to make a smooth paste. Spread this mixture on your face and let it sit for 5 minutes. Later, with your fingertips lightly scrub the mixture for 1 minute and then rinse off with lukewarm water. Baking soda face wash to control excess oil and for fairness. Baking soda is a good oil-absorbing agent. It soaks up the excess oil and provides gorgeous, oil-free complexion. Mash a fully ripe strawberry, mix a tablespoon of baking soda, and apply to your face. After 5 minutes, massage gently in a circular motion and then wash off with cool water. It eliminates excess dirt, sebum and impurities. It lightens the skin complexion and prevents the production of melanin that causes skin darkening. Baking soda face pack to remove dark spots. Dark spots give your skin an irregular appearance. Here is a quick remedy to eliminate stubborn dark spots completely. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a teaspoon of lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of warm water. Soak a cotton pad in this solution and gently dab it on your face. Rinse off after 5 minutes. Best suitable for oily or acne-prone skin.